Hi, I'm Tim. In my time in the Ukrainian army, I survived several drone attacks. And now I'm going to show you devices how you also can do very easy. From this device there are like two versions. You can use it with normal as infantryman. You can wear this screen like on your belt. Or you can just use it in and on your car, like this. The device itself comes in this box. It contains the device, the detector, with buttons to operate it. You have some antennas for detecting the drones and also for direct direction finding. And last but not least, the screen, which you can connect to the detector very easily. I show you how and how fast. It's connected. And now when you interrupt the drone's video signal, you can see what the drone is seeing. And now I'm going to show you how. This is like some dummy which demonstrates that it's a drone. We turn it on. And immediately the device sees what the drone is seeing here. You can see it on this. That's me and that's the drone. Very fast and easy to handle and operate. But you don't even need this screen, you can just use your mobile phone, and I'm going to show you how. You just connect this USB Type-C cable to the device, then connect your phone. It will open the app automatically, and you can see here how it's working. It detects a drone, and that's all. The device is not only very smart, it's also very small. So you can basically wear it everywhere you want. You can put it in your pocket and also turn off the sound mode, that it's only vibrating when some drone gets detected. So it's just a small lifesaver you can wear every time and everywhere. The one with the screen, it's the same. And now it's basically hidden.